Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Projector is powered, input selected, and your Android supports video output. Plug the correct cable or adapter, HDMI, USB-C, or MHL, into the projector, then into your phone. Once done, make sure the projector input matches the cable. You may need to enable OTG or USB-C video in settings on some phones. Keep both devices close so you can see status lights. This prevents wasted steps and gets you into the live connection phase quickly. Now configure the connection. On Android, open Display or Connection settings and select Cast, Screen Mirroring, or External Display depending on your model. If using wired USB-C/HDMI, the phone should detect an external display automatically. Choose Extended or Mirrored mode as needed. Adjust resolution to the projector's native value to avoid scaling artifacts. On the projector, fine-tune focus and keystone correction for a rectangular image. Make sure auto-rotate and sleep settings won't interrupt your presentation or video playback. Finish by checking audio. Choose projector speakers or pair Bluetooth. If audio is missing, change Android output in sound settings. Close background apps and disable battery saver to keep the stream stable. Lock orientation to avoid accidental rotation. For final polish, run your media and confirm playback smoothness. If something goes wrong, no image or intermittent signal, reseat the cable, reboot both devices, and swap adapters or input ports. Often the hardware handshake is the culprit, and these quick steps fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.